have often told you stories about the way I live the life of a drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing your song. Then maybe you would say, come live with me and love me, and I would surely stay.
But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Yes, I'll always be the soldier of fortune.
Many times I've been a traveler, I look for something new. In days of old when nights were cold, I wandered without you. But those days I thought my eyes had seen you standing here. Though blindness is confusing, it sounds that you're not here.
Now I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a wind